Hello, I'm Hetty Ninnis and I'm Sustainable Landscapes Manager here at Newquay Community Orchard. I'm stood on a new, very lovely, fantastic Oltco recycled resin-bound surface, and we're really pleased with it. We chose the recycled resin-bound because of its sustainability qualities, and we chose Oltco because they're a great local company. And yeah, we're really pleased with it. It's looking very smart in our new community building. Looking forward to welcoming the community down to use this great space.
Hi, my name is Johnny. I'm a director at Oltco and one of the creators of Recycle Bound, which is the world's first resin driveway system using waste plastic. At Oltco, we're always trying to develop new products, and it's on everyone's radar is how are we going to use waste plastic that's already in circulation. It's one of the proudest moments that we've ever had to come up with such an amazing product. Every square metre of Recycle Bound, we are using the equivalent of 3,000 straws.
Hi, I'm Tom Stringer. I'm the Technical Director at Oltco. So on an average sized driveway, we're getting rid of 150,000 straws. Actually, this year alone, we've got rid of the equivalent of 30 million plastic straws. It's a blend of different sized stones with a recycled plastic that is actually one of the strongest systems we've ever tested.
One of the key elements when developing the system was what's going to happen at the end of its lifetime. And one of the beautiful things about this product is that we can take up, we can grind down, and we can relay to create a completely sustainable system.